Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tiffany and today we are talking about household cleaning, snacky stuff, supplements, empties. So if you did not get a chance yet, I did just filmed my beauty empties. Will be linked above here. That would be like your makeup, your skincare, body care, that kind of stuff. So I decided that this is going to be my new empties for like a quarterly empties, if that makes sense, and I'll just split it up because I do like to watch these as well. I know some people are more into like just the beauty empties, so that's why I decided to split it up, and I hope you guys don't mind, and let's just get started. So I'm gonna just grab from the top here. The first thing I used up is, of course, another big, oh my goodness, I was gonna say big A bottle of Gain because I am a Gain girl and I love my Gain. I do switch it up, but most of the time I just stick to that, or whatever, you know, I stick to that most of the time. I prefer that. Cleaning stuff, we have a couple Mrs. Meyer's products, so I get these from Grove, but as you know, you can get them from Target as well. So I went through a Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day multi-surface spray in the Iowa Pine scent. I love this for Christmas time. It was nice. And then I also went through the Orange Clove scent in the multi-purpose spray. And I don't know how I feel about this one. I feel like I was not a fan. So I'm still currently using up the dish soap and the hand soap, and I'll tell you my thoughts about it after I finish the other two. This one I didn't notice as much, but with the smell of scent of something, but yeah, you'll see. And then I went through a dish soap in, of course, the Iowa Pine scent as well, and I did like that around Christmas time because it smells just like a Christmas tree. Okay, other cleaning stuff. I went through, I love these, the 7th generation multi-purpose wipes in the Garden Mint scent. You get 37 wipes. I cannot believe I remembered that off the top of my head. Oh my god, they smell so good. If you like anything minty or like just a good mint smell, these smell delicious. And again, I get these through Grove and they're super cheap, so I constantly have those on hand. And then I went through, I think that is it for cleaning stuff. It is. So we'll move on to like supplements now. So again, another Smarty Pants vitamins. I get these for Dominic at Costco. You can also get Smarty Pants on Grove, and you can also get them at Target, but I find the best value to come from Costco, so these are always in our empties. And then I also went through, oh, this is lovely. I love the name of this. Body Gold Colon Cleanse. Yeah, that sounds really great. So these are the 75 vegetarian capsules, and Frank actually bought these and someone recommended them. I take a daily probiotic every day and I switch them up sometimes. So right now I'm taking something different. I did not like these. I felt like I could taste them and I didn't like, they just tasted like grass to me, and I did not prefer these over other ones that I've taken. But because he bought them and he wasn't using them, I just decided to take them and use them up. I would not repurchase that. I'm sorry. I'm supposed to be telling if I repurchase these things. All the Grove stuff I repurchase on a regular basis. The supplements, so pretty much everything that I've talked about so far except for these, I would repurchase. This is another thing I would not repurchase. So I picked up this, is it Vega Protein and Greens in vanilla flavor protein powder. And it's plant-based, and I did not like it. I finished it. I have a chocolate one that's almost finished as well. I picked these up through either BJ's or Costco, and I had a coupon for them. They were like $6 off, so it was a pretty good deal, and I decided to try them. I just felt like they're too earthy. I didn't like, not that, actually the taste is not bad, but I felt like it was just too, the aftertaste I was not a fan of. So I just mix these in usually in the morning with almond milk, some cinnamon, whatever I'm feeling, Put that in, shake, take it to work with me. Good on the go breakfast sometimes when I'm running out the door. But I would not repurchase that again just because I was not a fit. Sorry, I have a hair. Not a favor. I did not favor the aftertaste. I'm not worth it today. Dominic's been home sick the last couple days and it has not been fun, and I finally sent him back to school today, so I'm hoping the nurse doesn't call. He doesn't have a fever. He just had a really bad runny nose that was left over, but the poor kid suffered the last 3 days, and I am glad to be back to somewhat normal life today. Just saying. All right, and then Dominic went through a Nature Made Kids First fiber gummies. I picked these up from Walmart. They were 60 gummies. He did not like these. We recently just switched over to the Smarty Pants variety. Let me tell you, those are flippin' delicious. They're so good. They're like strawberry cream. Oh, they're good. These he was not a fan of, so I would not pick these up again. And we get the fiber for him to help his little belly process things more easily. Let me see. Oh, here's some medicines because like I said, we were sick. Or he was sick, but I was sick before that. So I went through a Dayquil cold and flu. I find this is the only thing over the counter that helps me when I'm sick. For some reason, I don't know, I've tried pretty much everything under the sun, but this is the only thing that kind of like stops my symptoms to be able to get me through work. So I forever will purchase Dayquil and I love it. And then I also went through a little bottle of the Tylenol PM. So my doctor, or my boss, doctor, I say doctor, but recommended these quite a while ago that they don't, if she would like have to take something at night, this would help her to sleep and she wouldn't have that groggy feeling in the morning. So I decided to try these because I do get headaches somewhat frequently. Not as much as I used to now that I'm drinking water. I'll link that above. But these do, I find that these really do help me to kind of help with my headache and then also to help me sleep so that I'm not suffering through that for the night and I don't feel like that groggy feeling in the morning when I wake up. NyQuil does that to me. I don't like that. Dayquil does not, but NyQuil does. Some boring stuff. Oh, we have one supplement. I'll talk about that last. Q-tips. We went through a thing of those. Some toothpaste. Dominic uses this, and then a little travel size one. Another boring thing. This thing. Oh my god, of course it works now. It was not working. I guess I have to put this back in a drawer. It always does that. I thought it was empty. I was trying for the life of me to get all the little fluid out of it, but it's not. I think I got this from the dollar store. But this is for my candles. I need to carefully put that aside. Frank went through an Old Spice Swagger deodorant, the value size. He is super picky about his deodorant. This is the only one the guy will use, so we have to constantly pick this up. And it has to be this gel solid, whatever it is. I don't know. He used it all up, so I need to get him more so he doesn't stink. This, oh my goodness. I have been using this in our bathroom since October or November. I picked it up at Home Goods or TJ Maxx, whatever, and it was a pumpkin scent and it smelled so good. But this bottle, oh my god, how big is this? Pumpkin hand wash in a 16.90 fluid ounces. This thing lasted forever. It still smells delicious, but I am so over pumpkin right now because this thing just would not go away. And we wash our hands a lot. Well, at least I do. A lot. But this finally is gone. I'm so glad to see it go. But look how cute the packaging was. It was the cutest little pumpkin. It was just ginormous. And I think I only paid like $5 for it. So it was a good deal. And I have two snacky things, which I wanted to share because I think they're delicious. This is the Yasso Coffee Brownie Break Frozen Greek Yogurt. Do not be fooled by this 130 calories per serving. It's per serving. I was fooled by it the first time, but I picked these up from BJ's. we had a coupon for them, so we decided to give them a try. These are delicious. If you like coffee and if you like chocolate and brownie kind of stuff, you have to try these. They come in a 3-pack without a coupon. They're usually $12, I think, so I just pick them up whenever I go there because Frank loves these, but I've been splitting them with him, so he'll have half and I'll have half. Oh my god, this is the best treat. If you like coffee, if you like brownies, just pick these up. They're delicious. They're so good, and we are out of them, so I need to get more. Another treat, which I had to mention, that is so good. So this is actually a local company that's kind of local to our area. I found them at Tabora, so if you're around here, you can pick them up there. But this is such a good peanut butter. So one of my favorite treats to have at night is an apple, Granny Smith apple, and peanut butter for a treat before I go to sleep. This was the pumpkin spice peanut butter. So this is by a company, Nutty Novelties, and they're based out of Telford. And they share, there's like a Popcorn Works or something thing. Supposedly they share that space with them. But this is such a good peanut butter, and the smell of it was just like the start, because, you know, with all your senses, oh my god, it smelled delicious, it tasted delicious, there's not a whole bunch of crap in it, it's all natural, no cholesterol, high protein, 7 grams, small batches, freshly grounded in Telford, low sugar, gluten-free, no trans fat. It's so good. I'm currently working on a cinnamon peanut butter one, and they're not that expensive, and I will link their website below if you want to try them out because they do ship. But these are so good. So good. And they're not that expensive. And the last thing I have is, I feel like I'm slumped down all the way. Okay, so I have anxiety. So this was recommended to try it. It was expensive. It was $38.99 from the health food store. So I picked up this Charlotte's Web premium hemp extract supplement infused with olive oil. So this is the bottle. So I tried this out because it was recommended for anxiety to take it. I don't really know all that much information about it. I know that sounds kind of silly because I should have really educated myself, but I just wanted to try it, and I feel like it did absolutely nothing for me. I would not repurchase. It says you're supposed to, adults take 2 full droppers, approximately 1 milliliter, approximate 2 times per day. So I didn't do that. I just used it like when I felt like I needed it. Like if I was really anxious or felt like I needed to kind of relax, and I don't know. I don't know all about this stuff, so I just tried it, and I don't know. I know this is like a popular brand and a lot of people talk about it, but I think that there's other ways that I can help my anxiety. They're like exercising and just eating better and doing other things that will help me calm down instead of take something like this. So I don't think I would try it again. That's it. If you have any questions about any of these products, leave me a comment down below. I will get to them as soon as I can. And I hope you enjoy this, looking through my trash with me. I love watching these videos. I love filming them. And I hope everyone has a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.